let's look at this demo of Portworx, FlashArray, and FlashBlade integration. So first we're going to start with the FlashArray, but we have to actually provision this pure.json file. And we are going to create a secret as the instructions say here in the documents page. So we're going to create that secret. I already have the JSON file created. And this actually contains a FlashArray and a FlashBlade, so we can test both. All right, now that that's secret's created, we can create the operator. And this page here is just generated from the Portworx Central spec generator, so it'll give you the command right there. Just drop it in. You can see that the operator is now started, and we're going to create the storage cluster. Now this will put a container on each node, and it will actually discover that FlashArray configuration and start to install Portworx. So it'll actually get its raw drives from the FlashArray and use those as its storage pool for the Portworx storage overlay. Takes a couple minutes, and we're about to see some magic, right? So the containers are creating, and it's about 4 seconds in, and if we fast forward about 4.5 minutes, it's all running, right? So magic. And so 4.5 minutes there, and now we're up and running. We can run this. We have a plugin for kubectl that'll allow you to query the cluster. See there. So each worker node has a 150 gig volume attached to it, and Portworx 2.8.0 is up and running. So if you don't believe me, there are the cloud drives created on my FlashArray. So first we'll see if I go px, there's each node, worker node logged in via iSCSI, and each volume. And you can see that there's 150 gig volumes, and there are some 32 gig volumes in there. That's for the key value database, so it uses that for metadata. Now we're going to create a storage class to use the FlashBlade. So you can see there we have the FlashBlade as a direct access file system. So we're going to open up and create a brand new storage class for that has that backend pure file. So what that parameter right there tells Portworx to, hey, go find the FlashBlade and provision from there. So some other mount options in there. There's obviously some other things you can do with that. We're just going to use the default example here and go from there. All right, so now the storage class is created, and we'll create a PVC using that storage class. Oops, we don't want to recreate the storage class. We need to create a new PVC. So we'll call this FB direct. And paste this in there, fix that. I need to fix that on the document. And now apply. And there's the PVC created in bound. And if we are looking at our FlashBlade, you can see there is the volume. So that PVC name is in there. And there's some unique identifiers as well for the cluster. You see 1,000 gigs like I changed it to, and NFS v3. So pretty straightforward and easy. So within 5 minutes or so, you can be up and running with your FlashArray and FlashBlade with Portworx. So if you need any more information, head to central.portworx.com, and hopefully you enjoyed this demo. Thank you.